Hi everyone, welcome to Ty's Learning Lab. I'm going to do an ABC activity with this book. It's just reading basically, but you can use foam letters to make it interesting for your toddler to manipulate. Having manipulatives when you're teaching the alphabet is very good because it gets the child involved. So, what you can do when reading this book, it's an interactive alphabet book. It has you can trace the letters, and it also has a flip section where you can learn the first words, like A is for apple, A for ant, and so on. So, if I were reading this book to my toddler, what I do, of course, you read the title, an interactive alphabet with tracks to trace and flaps to flip. And then you go into the book and you can sing the song. A is for apple, 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 apple. And you show them this is the uppercase A and lowercase a. What else is A for? A is for ant. So A is for apple and ant. Where's the ant? Can you show me the ant? And you have them show you the ant. Then what you can do is find the foam blocks and ask them, where's the A? So you allow them to show you where the A is. And this is the letter A. What sound does A make? A makes the ah sound. A makes the ah sound. A is for apple. A is for ant. And repetition is key when it comes to teaching toddlers. So you go on to the B. B is for ball. What else is B for? Oh, here's the ball. Before you go on to what the B is for. Where am I? What else is the B for? So you go in here and you see the B is for bee. B is for ball and bee. Where's the bee? There's the bee. How many wings does the bee have? Let's count them. 1, 2 wings. And what color is the bee? The bee is yellow and it has black stripes. So it's yellow and black. It has yellow and black stripes. Then you go to your foam letters and ask them, where's the bee? Is this the letter B? And they're going to say, no. Is this letter B? Yes, this is letter B. So this is letter B. What sound does B make? B makes a b sound. B for ball. B for bee. And you go on to the next letter. C is for cat. Where's the cat? Oh, there's the cat. What else is C for? And you flip the book and you continue reading. C is for cat and car. Where's the car? There it is. What color is the car? The car is green. And then you go back to your letters. You find the letter C. Is this the letter C? No, that's not the letter C. Where's the letter C? Can we find it? Let's find the letter C. Oh, here it is. This is the letter C. What sound does C make? C makes a k sound. Good job. Yes, this is the letter C. C makes the k sound. And you go on to the next one. D. D is for dog. And there's a dog. What color is the dog? He is brown, white and brown. He has a little brown spot. And what else is D for? And you have them flip the flap, because toddlers love flipping the flaps. That's a tongue twister. Anyway, so D is for dog and duck. Good job. And you go up the top and look for the D. Is this the letter D? No. That's good. It's not the letter D. Where's the letter D? Let's find the letter D. Here it is. This is letter D. D is for dog. And what sound does D make? D makes a D sound. So you can sing the song. A is for, go back to the front. I'm just going to do 4. A is for apple. 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 A, apple. A is for ant. 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 A, ant. And it's important to point to the words so that the child can get familiar with reading the words, making the association that letters come together and they form words. So you continue your song. B is for ball. 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 B, ball. B is for bee. 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 And if you have examples, if you have a little figurine ant or an apple in the fridge, you use the apples to the objects to help with the learning process. If you have a little figurine bee, you use that. And I'm sure everyone has a ball. So you can, take out the ball and show them the ball and let them feel it and interact with the objects as well. So there's a leapfrog song about letter sounds. And you can find it on YouTube. And that is one of the things I use when I was teaching my toddler the letter sounds. So you can look for that. And that's basically it for this activity. And it continues. G is for goat and gate. H is for hen. Let's lift the flap. What else is H for? I guess we haven't gotten to this point where we could see and easily lift the flap to see what H is for. H is for house. What sound does H make? H makes a uppercase H, and you can have them trace it with their little fingers. And all the letters in this book, it has a section where you can trace the letters. This is the E and so on. And I just remember the song, the leapfrog song. It says, the A says ah, the A says ah. Every letter makes a sound. The A says ah. The B says B. The B says B. Every letter makes a sound. The B says B. The C says K. The C says K. Every letter makes a sound. The C says K. And the D goes D. The D says D. Every letter makes a sound. The D says D. And the E says eh. The E says eh. Every letter makes a sound. The E says eh. And the F says f. The F says f. And so on. So you can make it really fun for your toddlers. Make reading fun. Find little objects for them to play with, sing little songs, and have them interact with the material.